North Pond is a bustling habitat that's teeming with turtles, birds, fish, and even a few beavers. If you're out on a stroll, you might notice some newcomers to the area, the black-crowned night heron. These migratory birds winter in the southern U.S. and return to the Chicago area every year. These herons are a familiar face around North Pond in the spring, the beginning of their breeding and nesting season. They have a high nest fidelity rate, which means they often return to the same nesting sites every year. They also nest in groups, so if you see one heron nest, you're sure to see more. They're also very social and communicative birds, so you may hear their distinct clacking and chatter before you see them. The black-crowned night heron is endangered in Illinois. In the late 1800s, it was a common summer resident, but habitat destruction and human disturbances led to a dramatic decline in their numbers. Over the last 10 years, their population has been slowly climbing from 15 to around 300 nesting pairs in the area. Black-crowned night herons feed on insects, fish, earthworms, and even small rodents, and hunt at night to avoid competing with other herons, like the green heron, another neighbor of North Pond. The green heron is another migratory heron that spends its summer in Illinois. These birds are often seen on the pond's edge, completely motionless, hunting fish or any amphibians that come their way. These clever birds will even use bait when fishing by dropping a feather or a small twig on the surface of the water to lure fish within striking distance of their beaks. Distinctive in many ways, the green heron is often solitary and does not nest in groups, and prefers to be hidden by grasses or other vegetation. Although their population is stable and not endangered, many researchers suggest that estimating their exact population numbers is difficult due to their secretive nature. Both these herons are signals that the habitat they're spotted in is healthy and vibrant. Each species of heron aren't picky eaters and hunt at all hours. This indicates that the North Pond habitat has enough vegetation and insects for fish to feed on to support a portion of the fish population to go to the herons or other predators, like raccoons, which are also found in the area. This concept, that there is enough food for all the animal population in a habitat to survive, regardless of what they eat, is often called the food web. The presence of predators can tell us that the food web is strong and able to support animals that feed on other animals. Next time you're out around a stream, creek, marsh, or North Pond, keep an eye out for these noisy neighbors. They're a vital part of the ecosystem and a sign that that habitat you're enjoying is thriving.